We ordered some food, and look at this view.
Yeah, cool rooftop setting.
Yeah, and that way is towards the ocean. Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Seemed like pretty good prices too.
Yeah.
Used to Gili Island prices for the last couple of days, so it's nice.
It wasn't so bad either.
No.
Really. There were some spots specifically along.
Yeah, air grilling was pretty expensive too, but that's because it's so remote.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everything's been in this like bracket of
Yeah.
similar.
Well, it's nice and cheap here.
You.
Hey.
I like how though even though it's a rooftop setting, if it suddenly started pouring rain, we've got this nice coverage.
For sure.
That's what you want, open air but also some cover. Prepared for all the elements. Back which way I face my label.
There's so long.
There's some.
Glub, 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 glub.
That's nice.
I got some tempe satays. And you got a cup full of head.
Sloppy corn.
Yep. This looks good.
How's that?
It's like eating homemade peanut butter.
But on tempeh with rice.
Well, tempeh is already made of nuts, right? So.
That's true. It's a nutty dish. And you could be a professor of nutty dishes. A nutty dish professor. Dish.
So you got pizza there, and there's some interesting toppings on there.
Yeah.
There's definitely chunks of fish, and there's some pineapple. And onion. What else? Chicken? Mushroom?
Mushroom. I believe she said they were out of avocado, and I said that was fine.
You're so classy with your fork.
Generally not a knife and fork guy when it comes to pizza.
Yeah, well, let's see. Tell me what it's like.
This guy.
What's the sauce like?
Tomato.
No. It's good.
Yeah, it's really good.
Interesting. Now, the
certainly
people on
true.
the internet that say pineapple doesn't belong on pizza, tell that to this place.
It's honestly one of my favorite pizza toppings. I know it's controversial for many, and it's weird to be heated about something that you don't want because you can just not have it. But for those of us that think it's delightful, it was a
Full
lot.
fish skin is an interesting topic for the pizza discussion. See that right there? It's just like fish bits.
Yeah. Yeah, with skin.
Yeah.
What?
Looks so close.
What's that?
I said don't put it too close. It's gross.
But people like food on the internet.
Yeah, but you know where the camera's been?
Put it in your mouth.
Hey, look, it's Mr. Wiggles.
I liked his initial way down, just a complete.
Yeah.
Oh, sure. thing where I didn't film, and then I just filmed my hand or our feet. Don't you like when I do that?
It's so cool. This is the place we're staying. There's lots of scuba diving things going on here.
Yeah, and snorkel. I don't think so. That doesn't look good.
When building's on fire, you better think positively, right? Yep. My mask on just because I didn't want to breathe it in.
Yeah, same.
Not because I was. There's a curd. He's purred. He's so purred. Hey, purred. How you curding? That's so fun.
Yeah, beautiful. Hello. What's doing, huh?
Can you not walk down here?
No, I think we should.
Okay. Like on the beach?
Whoops.
Keep two on top of them.
My feet is all wet.
Should be a good day tomorrow.
Yeah.
Excited.
Looking very beautiful. Hopefully it doesn't rain too much. Yeah, that's crazy to think about.
Yeah. Oh well.
Yeah.
We'll catch you on the next adventure after that.
Sure wills. Booyah.
Being by the water always calms me. Oh man, my voice. So tomorrow we're gonna go snorkeling out here.
Yeah. Be a bit brighter. God, it's beautiful right now.
Yeah, so this is a coral reef right there. And way over there, I'm assuming kind of by where the boats are, is where the wreck is that we're gonna try to snorkel. It'll be interesting, but we'll see. All the lights came on. It doesn't smell like burning anymore.
Yeah. Thought so anyway.
Yeah. Sure looks like a mango tree. How you like these mangoes? Hey, Lizzie. You're just welcoming me back to your place. Hey, little bud. You gonna come in? I like that this fish drawing, I guess, has like human features. It's got little derpy lips. How you struggling? Took 40 minutes to decide that we just want 2 big beers.
We're
Guess
looking through all these pages manually. I kind of knew what I was. I had to look
Simple
at
man.
it. Yeah. It's neat how much stuff they did have.
Yeah, I think we'll definitely come back and have food at
Yeah.
different times. The price is really good too.
Especially now that you've made a camera friend.
Yeah.
What's that?
You can like swim up over here, sit on these stools, eh?
Oh yeah. That's interesting.
Zoom out so I can actually see. Yeah. And there's you in the water.
Yeah.
It's interesting how the camera is like, it gets all the cool tones and then the warm tones in the background. It's just such a stark contrast. Pretty sure the camera wouldn't pick that up though. Yeah, I doubt that. There's a guy out there night diving and you can see his light. But he's pretty far out there now.
Maybe when he was closer.
Yeah. Still looks pretty cool with the palm trees and stuff.
Yeah. Give it a walk if she had it.
I'm just gonna... You can stay there if you want though. You think you're jealous of this trip? That's because you bit.